ልረዳህ እፈልጋለሁ በለኝ እንድረዳህ ትፈልጋለህ በለኝ very good እንዳሳይክ ትፈልጋለህ አካባቢውን በለኝ እንድበላ ትፈልጋለህ በለኝ ምን እንድበላ ትፈልጋለህ በለኝ የት እንድሄድ ትፈልጋለህ በለኝ very good Hey yo, what's going on? This is Mark English with Abby. Did not choose salam na way. Ndetelemedo coach balloons crypto debtor and diresa because today is where we exercise how to speak English properly. If you guys remember, this week is the future week, right? Future is the
coming time.
Below Charles Soldier Boy. What's up, man? How you doing?
I'm good.
So future is the coming time. And when we talk about future again, we have two ways, right?
Yeah.
What were they?
Well
and
get.
And Going to is short for gonna, right? So you can say I will say termina.
Well,
I'll go.
I'll go.
Gonna scargo. I'm gonna go. Yeah, like you more at the child, like you me on negative, but then our ten but I think so remembers, and you guys also remember too. So right after that, we looked at some words.
Yeah.
Like words that could tell us about the future. What's the first word if you remember?
Future?
Yeah, word that talks about the future. What's the first word?
Like often, now.
No, مجمع يصفقون كلام نبر.
Always.
No. Always ما. من إنه سبب present كان ميرو دقيقة مش نميارا. بكر بقي اسمه من نبيته أول. Come on. So, what the hell's wrong with this? Are you kidding me? بكر بقي زي ولا
Soon.
Soon يدفعنا.
Oh, I remember.
إن أنتم لازم يكون أشوف واقعنا شو.
You know the
Alright, soon, yeah. Actually, you want to say زاني رسوت مات. Soon later بنبرر. إسكي sooner later يعني نبرر. Sooner later ما اسمه.
بيون مالت مونو ما يكرر نجار لما.
سيهون sooner later يالك متكلم شغال. إسكي عندنا نجار sooner later what?
Sooner or later we die. We're gonna die.
Good. Sooner or later we all die. ካላችሁ ቅርብ ጊዜ ይሁን ወይ የሚቆይ ሁላችንም መሞታችን አይቀርም ያለ ነው። Anyways, soon እንዳለ ሆኖ እንደዚህ የሚባል ነገር ታውቃለህ?
Asa. As much as possible? I think በስኛው ነው ማውቀው as much as possible.
እንደሱ አይደለም። እሺ ASAP ማለት as soon as possible. ASAP ማለት as soon as possible ማለት ነው በተቻለ ፍጥነት right? Yeah, I'll try to do everything I can to help you out. ASAP ካልክ በተቻለው ፍጥነት ልረዳክ እሞክራለሁ ማለት ነው. Give me my money ASAP ያልክ ማለት ትችላለህ. I don't know why. I wrote it on the whiteboard last night but I forgot.
ASAP. That means now.
I'll get you a fire mission ASAP.
Anywho, today we're not going to talk about all that. I have a different word. It's wood የሚለውን ቃል ነው የምናወራው በለው እስኪ እስኪ በለው
wood
ትንሽ አስተካክለው wood okay ይሄኛውን እስኪ አንብበው
wood
ይሄ wood ነው right wood
ያለው
wood ነው ይሄ wood ነው በለው wood በለው ይሄኛውስ
wood
okay መኪና አለ
I don't have
የለህም ለምንድን በአማርኛ ለምን አገዛ መኪና ብር የለህም ብርማ ለ5 ብር 10 ብር አለ እኮ አይደል
መኪና ለመግዛት የሚያስችል ብር የለኝም
የመኪና ዋጋ ምንድን ነው በአማርኛ
የመኪና ዋጋ ነው
ውድ ነው አቦ ምን አይልሽ ነው ውድ ነው ኦኬ ይሄ ውድ ነው ኦኬ ውድ like you know ተሳያለ ውድ በለኝ እስኪ ውድ የኛው ግን ውድ ነው alright የኛው ውድ በለው እስኪ
wood
nice yes ተሳያለ በቃ wood ነው so wood has a lot of meanings I don't know if I told you this but wood has a lot of meanings we can use it in different places ብዙም ሰናበዛ እንቀጥል የመጀመሪያው ምንድነው past ምን ማለት ፈልጌ ነው wood is the past tense of will ምንድነው ወደፊት የምናወራው ነገር ስንተፈጠር ነው I will come ነው አይደል so I would come ሲሆንስ ምን ማለት ይሆናል I would come like I will come እመጣለሁ ነው I would come ሲሆን ምን ማለት ይሆናል መጥቼ ነበር ማለት ነው I came ነው
እኮ የዊል ፓስት አይደለም
የዊል ፓስት ነው ያ
እኮ ማለት ለምሳሌ ስለ ወደፊት እያወራ ግን ወደ ያለፈ ነገርን ስታወራ የምትጠቀመው መሰለኝ
ማለት
ለምሳሌ I would come at home yesterday night ብል
ምን ማለት ፈልጋል? ምን ማለት ፈልጋል?
ትላንትና ማታ ቤት መጥቼ ነበር።
I came home yesterday night ነው አስሙ።
በዚህኛው መጠቀማችን
አትችልም።
ኦኬ
ስለዚህ Okay, let's go. Let me show you. ብዙ ጊዜ reported speech የሚባል ነገር አለ። reported speech ማለት አንድ ሰው ያወራውን ነገር አንተ ስታወራው ማለት I'm married ካለችክ ምን ትላለህ? ስለዚህ ነግረኝ she said I'm married አለ መሰለኝ she said she አይደለም she was married ምንድነው የምናደርገው? reported speech ሲሆን አንድ ወደ ኋላ ሳብ እናደርገዋለን ማለት ነው። she said she was married nice I eat እንጀራ አለች she said she ate እንጀራ I'm eating እንጀራ ካለች she said she was eating እንጀራ ያልክ ምሳው ነገር አለ ወደ ፓስት መጎተው ነገር አለ so አንድ ሰው will ብሎ ካወራ I will ብሎ ካወራ አንተ ሪፖርት ስታደርገው ምን ታደርገዋለህ? he would ብለህ ታወራዋለህ ማለት ነው ወይ you would ብለህ ታወራዋለህ ማለት ነው። ለምሳሌ እኔ ያልኩኝ I'll come tomorrow አልክ right ዛሬ ትመጣለህ ብለህ ነበረ ብለኝ you said
I would come tomorrow
አይደለም ሲጀመር I'll come tomorrow ብዬክ አሁን ላይ ያለ ነው tomorrow ላይ ያለ ነው okay ዛሬ እመጣለሁ ብለህ ነበረ ብለኝ እስኪ you said very good you said you would
come today
በጣም አሪፍ come today በቃ እንደዚህ ሲልክ ሰው እንደዚህ ብሎ ነበረ እንደዚህ ሆኖ ነበረ ለማስፈልግ would መጠቀም ትችላለህ ማለት ነው all right I will give you money
I'll give you money
ያ ፓስት አድርገው ቶሎ በል እንደዚህ ብለኝ ነበረ
you said you would give me money
yeah you said you'd give me money በቃ በለኝ
you said you'd give me the money
ደምና አንተስከባ በቃ money አስገባ
money okay
you said you'd give me money
you said you'd give me money
I'll help you
you said you'd help me
you said you'd help me በለኝ እስኪ
you said you'd help me
very good ምን ታደርገዋለህ you ገብቶ ከዛ በኋላ contraction d ይገባበታል አይደለ so you said you'd help me ካልክ እዳለው ብለኝ ነበረ right I'll marry you ብለህ ነበረ እሷ I'm so sad no she changed her mind because before she said
I would marry you I would marry you
she ነው የምታረግ
she would marry you she would marry me
በለው she said
she would marry me
she said she would marry me but she changed her mind and she married somebody else ain't that funny መጠቀም ትችላለህ አያስቅም ለማስፈልጉ ain't that funny መጠቀም ትችላላችሁ ain't that sad ain't that whatever anyways would መጠቀም ትችላለህ ማለት ነው I'll be rich
you said you'd be rich
አታንኳታ you said you'd be rich በለኝ
you said you'd be rich
good nice
let me practice it
no you're not practicing man you're good now you're good go I'll have a lot of money
you said you'd have a lot of money
very good nice that's it so would የምትጠቀሙት መጀመሪያ present future ይሆንና እንደዚህ ብሎ ነበረ I will ብሎ ካወራ ሰው ያን ነገር reported speech ታደርጉት እንደዚህ ሆኖ ነበረ ብላችሁ ማለት ትችላላችሁ ለምሳሌ ማልኩኝ I'm a magician I know everything I can see things before they even happen trust me it will rain tomorrow አልኳችሁ all right okay we'll see አላችሁ ከዛ መጣ ተጠብቁ በደውሉኛ ትመጣ በሬንግ መጣችሁ ቤት ሰበካ Hey, what are you doing? Nothing. I'm just sitting here. So, do you see outside? What is going on? I'm not looking at it.
You said you'd show us.
No, you said it would rain.
It would rain?
Yeah, ይዘንባል ብለህ
Okay.
ነበረ ለማስፈልግ you said it would rain ብለህ በተቀም ትችላለህ ማለት ነው So it's not connecting with me today. I don't know why. Okay, you said it would rain today. በለኝ እስኪ
You said it would rain.
Yeah, you said it would rain.
Yeah.
But
you said it would rain.
You understand? So the first usage of will and does no, I still feel like there is something missing. Anyways, reported speech ሆኖ I really ምናምን ብሎ ሰው ካወራ እሱን ሪፖርት ስታደርጉ and somebody did would ምናምን ብለህ መጠቀም ትችላለህ ማለት ነው. You know what I mean? Cool.
You said you would be my lawyer?
Yes. She said you would help me to conceive.
He said you would be fine by the fire.
But you said you would get him back.
Let's go. Okay. አሁን ቀጥሎ የምጠቀመው ውድን ለሁለት ነገሮች ናቸው ለነሱ ምን ናቸው ለኦፈር እና ሪኩዌስት ናቸው offer and request what's offer what is offer tell me what offer is hurry up tell me leave it in a comment what's offer define the word what's offer
offer ማለት
English
okay when you provide something when you provide for somebody something like like as a gift, but like I think there is a difference, but like I don't know the difference.
Okay, tell me in Amharic. Offer.
መስዋዕት ምናምን
መሰዋት ኦፈር ማለት ማቅረብ ማለት ነው።
ማቅረብ ነው።
የሆነ ነገር ማቅረብ የሚባል ኦፈር መጠቀም ትችላላችሁ። work for me ያልኩት ኦኬ መጀመሪያ ምናልኩት I offered him a job ለእኔ ጋር ስራ ስለው ኦፈር ያደረኩለት ነው ምን ስራ ማለት ነው። I'll pay you 5,000 10,000 ብለው I'm offering him a salary right ምናምን ኦፈር ይባላል ማለት ነው። so church ውስጥ ምን ታደርጋለህ? there is እንደዚህ ቻይት ነገር አለች church ውስጥ ይዘዋት ይዞራሉ ምን ትባላለች? offering box ትላለህ offering box ትባላለች። so ሶስት ገንዘባችሁን ቁጭ ታደርጋላችሁ ማለት ነው። so offer ማለት ነው ለአንድ ነገር ማቅረብ የሚባል offer መጠቀም ማለት ነው። fix your offer man alright I can offer you a better life than this please marry me መጠቀም ትችላለህ። ሴትዮዋ እምቢ ካለች የቅድሞ ማለት ነው she said she would marry you but she married somebody else whatever he's offering for you I can offer better መጠቀም ትችላለህ። offer ማለት በቃ understand the word guys so ቀጥሎ ምን አለ? request አለ request ማለት
እሱም ማቅረብ ነው ግን መላክ ነገር ነው የሚያንስ
no no
ማቅረብ አይደለም
መጠየቅ ነው request መጠየቅ ነው question
መጠየቅ ነው
ask
ግን request ሲሆን ደግሞ ምንድነው መሰለህ I think እንዴት ነው መልእክት ልከህ የምትጠይቀው አይነት ነገር በመልእክተኛ ማለት ነው በፈረሰኛ ነው በእኛ what do you mean መልእክት ልከህ what do you mean I don't know like ባንተ ሳይሆን በሆነ አካል መሄድ ነገር መሰለህ
okay not really እሺ offer request means asking somebody to do something for you what's your name ካልኩኝ it's a question
yeah
what's your name it's a question request ግን ከሆነ የሆነ ነገር እንዲደረግላችሁ ስትጠይቁ request ይባላል ማለት ነው። close the door do this for me do that for me ስትሉ ምን ያደርጋችሁ ነው? request ያደርጋችሁ ነው። I have a request ካላችሁ እንድታደርግልኝ የምፈልገው ነገር አለ ያላችሁ ነው ማለት ነው። so okay question request ያክ ትለያይልኛለህ ማለት ነው። what's your name
question
good where are you from
question
do you have a sister
question
is your sister beautiful
question
can you give me her number
request
no exactly so that's the difference between request and offer so ሁለቱንም ስናወራ እንመጠቀም እንችላለን would የሚለውን ቃል እንጠቀምበታለን አንድ ነገር እንዲደረግልን ስንጠይቅም ለሰውም ለማድረግ ስንፈልግም እንጠቀምበት ቃል would ነው so መጀመሪያ ጥያቄውን እንዴ አድርግልኝ ብለህ እንዴት ነው የምትጠይቀው ከሪኩዌስቱን ጀምር okay I would like ወለኝ እስኪ
I would like
ተሳጥረው ምን I would like አይዲውና I'd like ወለኝ እስኪ
I'd like
yeah guys I like እና I like difference-ን እወቁት I like ወደለው ነው ስለ interest ነው ማወራው ስለ ፍላጎቴ ነው ማወራው I like football I like ice cream I like whatever you like a lot of things in life ግን I would like ካላችሁ I would like ማለት ሰጠኝ እፈልጋለሁ መቼ አሁን ነው ማለት okay I like water now I'd like a glass of water ስል የተለያየ አይነት ትርጉም ነው ያላችሁ right so ምን ትፈልጋለህ እስኪ ንገረኝ I'm your brother in America and I'm calling you don't hello hey soldier boy what's up man
what's up brother
everything good bro
yeah
yo listen I'm coming to Ethiopia in a couple of weeks
oh nice
that's it you're not happy I've been away from you for the past 10 years and this is how you sad
you see I'll surprise you
by doing what you gonna scream when I come
surprise I can't tell you because
okay
surprised
sure anyways what do you want
I'd like to
no two years
okay I would like a computer
you'd like a computer
and I'd like J's
you'd like Jordans okay what else
and that's enough for me
all right man
okay thank you
so computer and Jordans so I'd like ስትሉ እፈልጋለሁ ያላችሁ ነው I want ከምትሉ give me ከምትሉ I'd like ስትሉ በጣም አሪፍ ነው ማለት ነው right
I would like my undies babe
I would like to take a moment just
I would like the locks changed again in the morning
business sector ውስጥ የምትሰሩት ሰዎች I'd like your ID please ብትጠቀመውን ማታወቂያ ስጠኝ ምናምን right I'd like to hear your offer first እሱ ጋር ይመጣበታል so I'd like ማለት ነው ስጠኝ ማለት ነው I'd like to ካልከስ I'd like to ማለት ማድረግ እፈልጋለሁ ማለት ነው መሄድ እፈልጋለሁ በለኝ go
I'd like to go
መብላት
I'd like to eat I would like to sleep
what else give me two more
I would like to speak.
I'd like to
Speak.
speak. I'd like to speak with you for a minute ካላችሁ ላዋራ ፈልጋለሁ ለአንድ ደቂቃ ያላችሁ ነው ማለት ነው። so I'd like ስጠኝ ያላችሁ ነው ወይኛው ደግሞ ስጠኝ ፈልጋለሁ ላይ ስጠኝ ያላችሁ ነው መቼ አሁን I'd like to ደግሞ ካላችሁ ማድረግ ፈልጋለሁ ማለት ነው right ይቅርታ ስልክ ልቀበልህ እወዳለሁ በለኝ እስኪ
Sorry, I would like to take your phone number.
Please. በጣም polite የሆነ በጣም polite ነው ሲጀመር would የሚለው ቃል I'd like to take your number please መጠቀም ይችላል መታወቂያ ማየት ፈልጋለሁ በለኝ
I'd like to see your ID please.
Very good. I'm a police in Ethiopia. Ate Nazi. This is how they treat people. Anyways, pose. We love you. Don't kill me outside, please. Okay. Okay. እንደዚህ ቢልክ ምን ትለዋለህ? ናስኪ ምናምን ሲል መታወቂያ ማየት ፈልጋለሁ በለው እስኪ አትለውም ግን ብቻ ብትለው ምን ትላለህ? I'd like to see your ID please በለኝ እስኪ
I would like to see your ID please.
Very good. Nice. That's it.
Mr. Harvey, I'd like your permission to take over the league.
And I'd like to see you go to college. I'd like to speak with Thomas Kennedy.
You see a girl? ዴት ላይ ልወስድሽ ይችላል እፈልጋለሁ ብላት ዴት ለውጣ ልጅሽ ዴት እፈልጋለሁ ብላት እንግሊዝኛው እንደዛ ነው
I would like to
take you out.
I would like to take you out on a date.
Very good. I'd like to take you out on a date ካላችሁ ዴት ላይ ልጅሽ መሄድ እፈልጋለሁ እሻለሁ ያላችሁ ነው በቃ በአማርኛ እንደዛ በቃ በጣም ሳይንስ የሆነ ናይስ የሆነ ክብር ያለው ነገር ሲሆን I'd like to ብላችሁ ማውራት ትችላላችሁ last but not least ምን ትላለህ I'd like to have ብለህ ማውራት ትችላለህ
Okay.
ባለኝ እስኪ
I'd like to have.
Okay. እንዲኖረኝ እፈልጋለሁ so difference ነው ያቸው ሁሉ ጊዜ ማሰራ ከይ ነው I'd like እፈልጋለሁ I'd like to ማድረግ እፈልጋለሁ I'd like to have እንዲኖረኝ እፈልጋለሁ ያልከኝ ነው ማለት ነው የሚበላ ነገር እንዲኖረኝ እፈልጋለሁ በለኝ የሆነ ነገር የሚበላ ነገር እንዲኖረኝ እፈልጋለሁ በላ something to eat. Very good. I'd like to have something to eat ካላችሁ የሚበላ ነገር ቢኖረኝ ደስ ይለኛል let me eat ማለት ፈልገው I'd like to have something to eat before I go to bed ብላችሁ ማለት ትችላላችሁ ማለት ነው so simple. What else would you like to have?
I would like to have to change.
I'd like to have
to change.
No, to አታስገባም I'd like to have change in my life በህይወቴ ውስጥ ለውጥ እንዲኖረኝ እፈልጋለሁ
ዶላሩን ቼንጅ ማድረግ ፈልግ
to አታስገባውማ ታዲያ have እና to ቀላቀልካችሁ friend
እኮ እና እንዲኖረኝ እኮ ነው የፈለኩት
ስለዚህ to I'd like to have ነው የምትለው I'd like to have ብለህ ድጋሚ to አታስገባ
What did I say?
You said I'd like to have to change አልከኝ
Okay, I would like to have change.
እዚህ ጋር ነው የምመጣው I'd like to change ነው የምትጠቀመው ብር ካለክ I'd like to change this dollar please መጠቀም ትችላለህ Okay. ዘዝርልኝ በለኝ እስኪ
Change it.
Yeah, okay, nice. ላሳየህ አሁን እዚህ ጋር ምንድን ነው ማን ነው የሚፈልገው focus አድርግ please this won't see different now
Like can I have something?
No,
please.
no, you can't.
I can concentrate.
Yeah, it's okay, you will. Okay, በለው እስኪ I'd like food አይደለ በለኝ እስኪ
I'd like to
ምን
food. I'd like to eat.
I'd like to eat መብላት እፈልጋለሁ ማን ነው የሚፈልገው
እኔ ነኝ
ማን ነው የሚበላው
እኔው
good እኔ እንድበላ ከፈለክስ
I would like to
eat you
Okay, you'd like to eat?
No. አንተ ነህ የምትፈልገው እኔ እንድበላ
I would like to I would like to No, I would like eat ምናምን you ምናምን እያለ ይቀጥላል ከዛ በኋላ I would like to ማይሆንም ለእኔ ነው የሚሆነው አይደል ሲሆን I would like to eat you ምናምን ልል ነው
በለዋ ያወቀው ነው I'd like to eat you ካላችሁ ልበላክ እፈልጋለሁ ያላችሁ ነው so that's going to make you cannibal something I'd like ብለህ እዚህ ጋር ሰውየውን ታስገባለህ I'd like you to eat ብለህ መጠቀም ትችላለህ በለኝ እስኪ
I would like you to eat
good nice ቤቴን እንድታይልኝ እፈልጋለሁ በለኝ
I would like you to see me my home
very good nice እንድትረዳኝ እፈልጋለሁ
I would like you to help me
very good I'd like ብቻ በዩ ፋንታ ማስገባት ትችላለህ ሌላ ደስ ያለ ነገር ማስገባት ትችላለህ
I would like she ምናምን
ለምሳሌ እናቴ ስማይል እንድታደርግልኝ እፈልጋለሁ በለኝ
I would like my mother to smile
very good nice እስኪ የሆነ ነገር ስጠኝ በዚህ ፎርም you would like somebody to do what
I would like my sister to grow
You'd like your sister
to grow.
To grow. What? Like financially, spiritually, mentally?
Like, I don't know. Like, example.
Good, nice. I like it.
I'd like you to tell me that you were a false prophet. I'd like you to observe, Ed.
I'd like you to see.
Wait. I'd like you to see this.
Okay. I'd like you to have a nice life. Now, milk more to child master. So I'd like Faligalono, I'd like Blachu, I'd like to Marag Faligalono, I'd like somebody to do something. Kalachu, Yasoye, in the Onaganarek, Faligalo Yalkano. So there's Nacho? Nacho Nazindana?
Would natural, would like.
Arasol.
Offer way request.
No, like Abela. Hey. Are they offers or requests?
I call offer way request nacho man.
Marata call a ton for
Offer no me on anything.
offer master.
Offer ማለት የሆነ ነገር ስታቀርብለት
ማቅረብ ነው መስጠት ነው አይደለ መስጠት ነው እዚህ ጋር ሰጥቶኝ ነው ወይስ የተቀበልኩ ነው
and I would like to give you ምናምን ይያልን አይደል እንዴ አሁን እኮ I would like you
to give me
to give okay that's ይያልን ነው okay ስለዚህ ሪኩዌስት ነው የሚያለው
እየጠየቀን ነው please concentrate man concentrate what's wrong with you so I'd like ፈልጋለሁ ነው I'd like to ማድረግ ፈልጋለሁ ነው ማንም ይፈልገው ራሴ ነኝ እየጠየቅኩኝ ነው I'd like to have the most እንዲወረኝ ፈልጋለሁ ያልክ ነው ሶስቱ ነገሮች በደንብ ያዘልኝ please ቀጥሎ ይው እዚሁ ጋር አሳየ would you like Veloski
would you like
very good do you like now would you like difference አላችሁ አይደል ምንድነው ዲፈረንስ አላችሁ
do you like ትፈልጋለህ ወይ ማለት ማድረግ ትፈልጋለህ ነው አይደል
do you like
do you like ስትል ተወደዋለህ አይነት ነው
good nice እንደም ጠይቀኝ you are asking my interest ማለት ፍላጎቴ ነው ይጠይቃለሁ do you like football ኳስ ተወዳለህ ያልክ ነው ያለው
ተወደዋለህ
ግን would you like ካልክ ግን ትፈልጋለህ ወይ ያልክ ነው ይሄው እዚህ ጋር ብያለሁ I'd like ስል እፈልጋለሁ ብያለሁ አይደል
provide ልታረግ ነው ማለት ነው
ልሰጥ ነው ማለት ነው ልሰጠኝ ነው right would you like this would you like that ለመጠቀም ትችላለህ ማስቲካ ትፈልጋለህ በለኝ
would you like gum
good ግን gum nice gum would you like a piece of gum that's how you say it but
would you like a piece of gum
very good what else
would you like a biscuit
መስኪ በለው
would you like a biscuit
biscuits yeah would you like some biscuits በለኝ
biscuits
yeah
okay would you like some biscuits
very good so የሆነ ነገር ስትፈልጉ ምን ታላችሁ would you like ብላችሁ ለሰው ማቅረብ ትችላላችሁ ማለት ነው እንግዳ መጣ ቤትክ ውሃ ትፈልጋለህ በለው
would you like water
what kind of water
would you like a glass of water
would you like a glass of water right would you like some coffee would you like this would you like that ያላችሁ ለሰው ኦፈር ማድረግ ትችላላችሁ ማለት ነው
would you like some coffee
would you like that Chris
would you like this back
okay ማድረግ ደግሞ ትፈልጋለህ ስትልስ
would you like to do
አንበሳ would you like to ትላለህ ማለት ነው okay ጎበዝ would you እዚህ ጋር would you ምን ለምንድነው ዲና ዋይ ስለተገናኙ ነው እሺ would you like to ብለህ እዚህ ጋር ድርጊትየው ማስገባት እንደዚህ ማለት ትፈልጋለህ okay walk ማለት ትፈልጋለህ በለኝ
would you like to walk
very good ሌላስ
would you like to play football
good
would you like to eat
good nice
would you like to drink
very good man
would you like to dance
very good hit that man would you like
to
dance this is how you say would you like to dance you don't say would you like to dance good what else
would you like to read
no
would you like to write
okay
what is that
nothing exactly okay
would you like to dance
would you like to dance
would you like to walk out with me
would you like to come to lunch with us እንዲኖርሽ ትፈልጋለሽ ወይ ምናምን ለማስፈልግ ደግሞ ምታለ በለው would you
like
አንበሳ would you like to have ታለ ማለት ነው እነዚህ በያዋድራችሁ እያቸው እሺ I'd like እፈልጋለሁ ነው would you like ትፈልጋለህ ይሆናል ማለት ነው ኦኬ እዚህ ጋር I'd like to ማድረግ እፈልጋለሁ ነው እዚህ ጋርስ would you like to ማድረግ ትፈልጋለህ ያላችሁ
ፕሮቫይድ ማድረግ ስለሚችል ነው ካልሆነ ግን ማለት
አትችልም እንደዚህ ብላችሁ ልትሰጡ ዝግጁ ስትሆኑ ብቻ ነው ምን ተጠቀሙት በዚህ በኩል ልትጠየቅ እንደለው ተጠቀሙት ማለት ነው I'd like to have እንዲኖረኝ እፈልጋለሁ ነው would you like to have ደግሞ ካላችሁ እንዲኖረኝ ትፈልጋለህ ግን ከሀቭ ጋር የሚሄዱ ደግሞ በጣም ብዙ ነገሮች አሉ like have something to eat have some fresh air have a good time እንዲኖረህ like you know physically all የምታደርጉት ነገር አይደለም ግን እነዚህ ቃላቶች ከዛ ጋር አብረው ይሄዳሉ ማለት ነው so you can use it for all that do you understand
Yeah, I understand.
Cool, nice. What else can I talk about, man? All right, so offer na requested just not show us. So you can use word for these things. But you remember them? Never mind, I changed my mind. I was going to show you one more thing, but I left it. Okay. So by the way, would you know ባለፈው ክላስ ስለምን ሰራ ነው? will ስላወራ በጣም ስለሚቃረቡ ነው. will እና would ነው ዲፈረንሳቸው የሚለውን በደንብ ለማየት መጀመሪያ ምንድነው ብያለሁ?
Past of will.
The past of will ነው ምን ለማለት ፈልጌ ነው? አንድ ሰው I will ብሎ ካወራ እኔ ሳወራ እንደዚህ ብሎ ነበረ ለማለት ፈልጌ he said he would she said she would ምናምን ያላችሁ ማውራት ትችላላችሁ ነው ያልኩት ቀጥሎ ደግሞ እዚህ ጋር offer እና request ነው ነገር አይተናል offer ማለት ነው
ማቅረብ ነው
ማቅረብ giving ማለት ነው request ደግሞ
እንደ ውለታ ነገር መጠየቅ ወይ
መጠየቅ ደግሞ questionም አለ ወይም ask አለ ከሱ ጋር ዲፈረንስ ምንድነው
አርግልኝ ብለህ እየጠየቀ ነው
very good you asking somebody to do something for you nice okay ልረዳህ እፈልጋለሁ በለኝ
I would like to help you
good ልረዳህ ትፈልጋለህ በለኝ
do you
አይደለም
would you like to help you would you like to help you
ማንም ይረዳው
would you like me to help you
አንበሳ would you like me to help you በለኝስ
would you like me to help you
very good እንዳሳይክ ትፈልጋለህ አካባቢውን በለኝ
would you like me to show you
around
the place
around is enough
okay. Would you like me to show you around
very good nice እንድበላ ትፈልጋለህ በለኝ
would you like me to eat
ምን እንድበላ ትፈልጋለህ በለኝ
what would you like to what would you like me to eat
very good nice የት እንዴት ትፈልጋለህ በለኝ
where would you like to go would you like to me go where would you like me to go
very good nice መቼ እንደመጣ ትፈልጋለህ በለኝ
when would you like me to come
very good you like this girl so much ምን እንዳደረግልሽ ትፈልጊያለሽ በላት
okay what would you like me to do for you
አንበሳ ግን ችርቻሮ መቅረት አለበት የተቸረቸረ አይደለም የሚባለው right so say it again
what would you like me to do for you
what would you like me to do for you
what would you like me to do for you
this is so polite እንደዚህ ያላችሁ መጠቀም ትችላላችሁ
where would you like me to sit
what would you like me to do
what would you like me to do Mr. Little
would you like me to do anything
where would you like me to start
ይሄ የwould past tense ነው ማለት ነው የwill past tense would ነው አንደኛ እንዳያችሁት እዚህ ጋር ቀጥሎ offer እና request offer ማለት የሆነ ነገር ማቅረብ ነው request ደግሞ የሆነ ነገር ሊፈልግላችሁ ስትጠቀሙ የምትጠቀሙበት ነው I hope you enjoyed the lesson that's short and precise and it's going to go a long way do you not would you I hope because you what I'm going to say Marking English with Abby is out Saul is dead today bye